everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually down in the studio because it's been highly requested for me to do like an organise with me, clean with me type of YouTube video for my YouTube channel. So obviously Northern Ireland got the dates and when we can reopen, so technically I can open here on Friday, but obviously with being in hospital for so long, I'm not really fit just yet to go to work. The other night I actually had a really bad panic attack, which was completely out of the blue. I had no idea what the heck was going on. It happened before in the hospital, but not as bad as what it was the other night. I was literally out with my friend, and then as soon as I got back to my mum's house, like my hands and everything just like completely seized up, like they went all tingly, my legs went completely dead, and I just had no idea what was going on. So I'm not sure whether it's a side effect of the medication that I'm on or whether it's like just something that is going to start happening. I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. So until I get that under control, because I would hate to be down in work doing a client and something like that was to happen, and obviously because my medication, well, I was on different medication that had to get changed, so that's kind of still working on me, and I want to get a little bit more familiar with that medication just yet before I get back straight into work. But if anyone does have any booking requests or wants booked in for a lesson or makeup course or anything, just comment down below or send me a little message on my Facebook makeup page, which I will also leave down below too, and I will get back to you on dates and stuff that I'll be able to do it. It won't be too long because I do really want to get back to work, but other than that I have to take things really slow because I don't want to end up back being stressed 24/7 and having really bad anxiety every single day. I don't want to take things too quickly and then for that to happen again. So the reason why I'm down here today is obviously to show you guys kind of the progress that I've made so far on the studio. I've been coming down like every other day to try and do wee bits and bobs because there's a lot of stuff. Obviously I'm back now living with my mum at her house, so there's some bits of furniture that came here whilst I was in hospital that were part of my like little at-home studio, like my filming room and stuff. So there's lots of makeup down here, like there's so much stuff, like loads of PR things that I haven't even opened yet. There's obviously all the makeup that I would have had at my old house, and then there's just loads of stuff that I found of part of one of my old makeup kits too. So I'm trying to go through and get all that organised. So what I'm going to do today is just show you guys pretty much what I'm working with and kind of the way I'm going to approach it, and just show you guys exactly what I'm doing because it's been super highly requested. So I'm going to insert a clip right now of what it looked like last night because I have a little clip that I recorded on my iPhone that I'm going to show you guys just so you can see like a before and after, and hopefully it looks 10 times better once I get everything sorted. So I'm going to insert that right now. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is show you this before, because obviously I've made a little impact in sorting out my makeup and stuff, but I want to go around and show you pretty much the absolute state of this place. I'm literally trilling everything out from my drawers and cleaning all the compacts individually, sorting out my makeup collection. I'm putting loads of makeup in these drawers and also in these ones right here, and then I have all of this to sort out. I have this pile of makeup that I haven't even used yet, so I'm going to do like a full face first impressions and all of that stuff. And then I also have some stock down here. I have some lashes, palettes, a load of brushes all right here. I have all of this stuff to clear out, sorry. And then I also have all of my cleaning products to sort out. I need to go to the dump. I have this desk to sort out right here. I have this mirror to get fixed. I have some more like PR things to go through, and obviously there is just so much. I have all of these palettes under here also to go through. Sorry if you can hear anything in the background, it's my TV's on right now, but I really just want to show you this before and after because obviously I'm going to do like a full studio tour whenever I have everything totally organised. I have this little trolley here for my kit. I've actually got two of them. I'm going to store my setting sprays and other bits and bobs in this, but what I'm going to do is just spray it with like disinfectant spray. It's the Fabulosa concentrated disinfectant, the like rainbow one. It smells literally gorgeous. So I've got like loads of cleaning products and stuff down here just because down here really did need a big massive deep clean, obviously because I was away for so long. And by the way, if you haven't watched my like explanation video on kind of like where I've been, I'll also link it down below because the response I've got on that recently has been actually insane. Like I'm still to this day, like a week later, going through all my DMs and trying to get like reply back to you all, just because like I really want to give everybody my time because it was a really hard video, and the amount of messages that I actually received like showing support, it was literally the best thing ever. So thank you to anyone who DM'd me or left a comment or subscribed or liked the video. I swear to God, yours are all amazing. I used to store my eyeshadow palette, you see, in this wee trolley, so it's kind of all filled with eyeshadow really at the moment. So I'm kind of just going through it, making sure that it's all disinfected and all cleaned. The wee trolley that I was talking about there, you can see it has 3 little tiers. I also have one right here too. Excuse my finger, my nail fell off. And like I said, I have one right here too with a load of eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to put away also. But for now I have my setting spray sitting in this one right here, and it means it'll just be able to fit under there hopefully without any of the lids touching the thing. But it does, so there we go. Perfect. So pretty much what I'm doing is putting all of like my eye products in my like plastic acrylic drawers, which I'll show you in a little second. But what I've been doing is actually cleaning everything down individually. So I've been taking like these antibacterial wipes right here and just using these to clean all the products down individually and then putting them all in their little section because I haven't done this in a long time. All acrylic drawers that I was talking about, I got these in Primark ages ago. They come in like little stacks and then you can just stack them up and like arrange them whatever way you want to arrange them. So here I have some eyeshadow pigments. They need sorted out still, and then so do these ones, but I arranged these ones last night. So I have in here like more chunky festival glitters like for the face and eyes, so that's what that wee one looks like. And then I also have this one with just like glitters in it also. And then I have a few empty ones also. In here I have more like powdered pigments, and then I have a couple of wee spare drawers, and then here I have more like matte or neon pigments, if you can see that. And then up here I have some like single eyeshadows, so some Urban Decay, Makeup Geek, MAC, NYX, things like that. And then up here I have more like chunky creative glitters also for the face and eyes whenever festival season comes around. Okay, so you can see here I have loads of eyeshadow palettes here, all in here, all in here, all in here. So far I've, in these drawers, I've got foundations that I don't really reach for too often, and then in here was going to be a drawer of like face palettes, but I think I'm going to have to section it off into like bronzing ones, highlighting ones, because there seems to be a lot. And then in this drawer's free so far. I've got this drawer free, and I'm actually lining the drawers just with a little bit of kitchen roll so that they don't get messed up underneath, because I've had these drawers for years and you can see that there's quite a lot of marks on them that just won't come off. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And then I also brought down a bag filled with a load of clean makeup brushes that I cleaned the other day, along with my file that I needed to bring down to work also. So I'm going to put these into the little pots and see how much storage I have left after I put those in, because these are all clean brushes. Like the handles have been cleaned, the bristles have been cleaned, so it's good now that this wee batch is done. And then I have another batch in the house along with another batch here that I need to take up to the house. So I'll show you guys like how I clean my brushes and stuff in like a different video, because I always get so many questions on that. I done one before which I'll link down below, but I've kind of changed my routine up a little bit, so I'll do an updated one and I'll show you what to do. So this is what we have going on right here, and there's the little canisters, so I'm going to sit here and organise them and put them all inside. But how nice is just like loads of fresh brushes. Like if you're lacking inspiration or like lacking motivation, I would totally suggest getting your brushes, cleaning them, and then thinking about what you're going to do, because it just helps so much. Whenever you know you've got dirty brushes, it's a nightmare. So just clean them, guys, and I promise you it'll give you so much more of a little boost. Okay, so I want to show you how gorgeous this PR parcel is that I got from Huda Beauty a wee while back. Like, I don't even want to take it out of the box because it's that stunning. Do you know, whenever it's just that stunning and you just don't want to take it out of the box. Literally, it's the Nude Beauty palette, and even the palette itself is absolutely stunning. Wait to see this. It's like the perfect like bridal palette. Look at all those crushed diamond shades and the glitters and stuff. And then it also has like little brushes in here also, and then whenever you lift this up, there's like an actual like robe with like a little hairnet type of tiara thing. What the frig? Like, what is this all about? And like a gorgeous like silk dressing gown. How absolutely stunning is that? Like, I don't know if I want to take this apart, you know. I don't think I am. I think I'm going to display it on top of my little drawers over here, because there I have another Huda Beauty parcel here, but the box is a little bit like rank, you know, with foundation stuff. It has the like, Diamond Balm lipstick things in it, so I might actually change that and put that one over there because it's that pretty, you know. I have these little Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I'm going to take all of these out and then just use the box as like a display thing, because I would prefer to be able to see these. And you can actually use these on the eyes as well, so you can use them as like cool little liners and stuff. I'm going to put these into my liquid lipstick section in this drawer. So right in there, first of all, obviously this drawer is looking quite bare, but it's because I still have to go through this one right here and separate it between like liquid lipsticks, like actual lipsticks, glosses and things like that, you know. Okay, so I've kind of cleared off my reception desk. I have this wee tray sitting in the centre, which is stuff that I'm going to take home with me later on today. But usually I'll have my laptop and my diary and stuff sitting there. But you can see here I've started making a little impact on my little display unit thing. So here we have my multi-pack lashes. We have some of my bougie lashes and my Drama XL lashes, which are the more premium ones that are like extra long if you're into really big, thick lashes. And then we also have my palettes. We also have some more palettes here, a little bag, some sunglasses, a couple of wee plants because I love that. My shaky hands, holy gosh. And then we also have some more lashes down here and some more lashes here and some more stock right there. So I am going to kind of still focus on this a little bit, but I'm actually getting starving right now. I think I might go home and get my dinner. Hey everyone, so it's day two of filming. So I'm down here again. I have all my eyelashes to sort out today, which is like a big priority. I have all of those palettes to get done too, and then the brushes. I brought down like a second batch of stuff. That's what I'm doing today. I have no makeup on today. I'm letting my skin breathe because I have had makeup on the past couple of days, and I like to leave my skin to breathe for a little bit. But yeah, I'm outside the studio right now, and I'm going to go in and get it all sorted, get the wax melts on, get the place smelling phenomenal. And then later on tonight I actually have to do a course with IsoClean. So it's like a hygiene course based on, if you haven't heard of IsoClean, they're like a brush cleaning company with all your hygiene and sanitary products for your brushes. So later on tonight I have to do a wee course with those guys, and it lasts for like an hour, so that'll be awesome to kind of get more education on brush hygiene and just like sanitary things based on working as a makeup artist, because that is obviously crucial, especially at this time with COVID and that. Okay, so here I have a load of eyeshadow palettes that I really want to organise. I'm going to organise them into like colours, neutrals, and then ones that I would gravitate for on like a regular basis. So what I've actually done is take some surgical spirit and spread it, or put it into this little bottle right here, because this is awesome for obviously disinfecting your product and killing all the germs, and also kind of getting off any like stubborn makeup stains too. So I actually have a wee spray bottle in the house, a couple of them actually, but I didn't bring any down with me unfortunately, so I'm just using this empty one with some surgical spirit in it, and I'm going to go through all of these palettes and then clean the little trolley as well. As you can see, it's quite messy because I used to use this to store like my actual palettes whenever I was working on a client, so I always like to keep the top one free and put whatever products that I'm going to use, and then wheel it over beside my client so that I'm not like running back and forth to my station a lot, wasting time, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to give that a wee clean and then start on all these palettes right here. Okay, so I've tried to clean this, but it's kind of hard to get in around the edges. It's like stained pink from like red and pink eyeshadow and stuff. But I've cleaned all of these palettes so far, and I put some in the bottom. So I've got like my Morphe palettes and stuff, Inglot palettes, Z palettes and stuff, you know, like the personalised ones. And then here I have just loads of other eyeshadow palettes, so like Be Perfect, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Sample Beauty, Too Faced, BH Cosmetics, Slime Crime, some of the Urban Decay Naked palettes, the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palettes. So that's looking so much more organised, and I really like it in this actually because it's easier to see exactly what you have, whereas if you put them away in the drawers, they all just stack up on top of one another and then you can't really see. So I'm going to leave this one free and keep this one like that, because as I said before, I like to wheel this over like beside where my clients would be, so that it's easier for me to do their eye look rather than having to keep on going back and forth to my station. That's an awesome wee trolley. These are great, and like I said, they're from Ikea. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go through all of my lashes that I have in stock. So I have some here, and then I also have this bag filled with lashes, and then what I'm going to do is label them all and put them all into the little boxes, and then work on getting the display and stuff sorted out so that I can take nice photos and upload a few posts based on my lashes, and obviously update my Etsy website too. I'll leave the Etsy link down below if you're interested in getting any of my lashes, by the way. But once I get all these labels done, I'll go through them and I'll show you exactly what I have. Okay, so I've labelled all of the lashes and kind of organised this little area. It's kind of not the way I want it to sit right now, but we'll soon see like whenever I get it more organised and stuff. But here we have the little multi-packs of lashes where you get Luxe, Insta, CM3, CM4 and Drama. And then there's also a different style of the lash pack also where you can actually get the more subtle lashes, so Cutie and Cali, as well as CM3, CM4 and Drama also. So there's two variations of those. Obviously if you're into natural lashes and dramatic ones, you can get that wee pack, or if you're just into more glam ones, you can get the pack that have all of the awesome bestseller lashes. And then we also have brought back the Style Luxe, which is a bestseller from before. Everybody loves these ones, and there's only very few of these left. I think I've only got 4 or 5 styles of those ones. So if you're interested, don't forget to click down below in the little description box. And then we also have my palettes here. We also have my brush sets off the back. I want to get a more like bigger display unit so I can display my brushes a little bit more, and my palettes also, because you can't really see them too much. And then on the top here we have CM4, we have Drama right here, we have CM3, we also have Cali, Cutie and also Insta as well. So that's what the little setup looks like on my reception desk right now. Okay guys, it is currently, what time is it? It's 5:20 and I'm starving again. Same story as last night, but I'm really happy with my little display area here with all my lashes, brushes and palettes. It looks really well, but again, I still have some more stuff to do regarding sorting out the makeup situation. You can see behind me, there's a lot of work to do here, and then I still need to sort out my lip products, and then I also need to sort out these drawers too. So the vlog hasn't ended just yet. Hey everyone, so I'm down in the studio now. I came down last night and I forgot to bring my camera, so I couldn't vlog, but I'm down here today. It's Saturday today and this is the first official day that I'm working. Woo! Oh my god. So I have a few clients in today, and I'm going to give you a little tour of the studio, what it looks like right now, because I did do some more organising, but I still have some more organising to do. But I feel like this video is going to be like so long. I have to organise my Alex drawers, so these drawers right in here, if you can see through the ring light. So I still have to organise my special effects stuff and all my palettes and stuff. And then I have this little bag of stuff to organise, and this is actually makeup that I got from America a while back that I haven't even opened yet, from like Creme Cosmetics, Colourpop, things like that. So I have all that to organise, and then I also have my lip drawer also to organise. But what I'm going to do is just give you a little tour of the studio so far, because, hold on, I'll turn the lights on, because it does look a lot better and organised. So here's my little reception area, and then if we come over here, I have just a chair, another mirror, my Alex drawers with all like my eye products here. We have these little drawers. Look at my nails, by the way, guys. I got these nails in Superdrug the other day. Like, how nice are they? Oh my god, they're gorgeous. And then here I have just some of the makeup that I'm going to use on my clients today, a few lip products. I have my brushes, all of these clean brushes that I can't wait to use. And then over here I have a few eyeshadow palettes. So I have my, of course, my Inspire palette. I also have the, what's this one called again? The Mrs. Glam Showstopper palette. I have the Stacey Marie Carnival 2 Love Tahiti palette. I have the Be Perfect, what is this one called? The Manifest palette. But yeah, and then I actually have like all of my palettes here organised. I have the P. Louise Secret Sinner palette, and I also have this little makeup case here which has some more lip products, some eye bases, some base products, some eyelashes, lip products, and then another couple of wee palettes in there too. But I'm just going to keep that sitting here because I'm going to take this back up home with me, because I like to use this here as like my at-home makeup kit as well. And then obviously over there I have my TV, my little sink area, my messy storeroom, and then me. But yeah, I actually have two PR boxes here to show you guys from Be Perfect. So the first one is the Dream Big Manifest palette, and look how nice the packaging is of this. I'm so excited to use this. I probably might use this today, to be honest. Look at the wee holographic box, isn't it gorgeous? And then inside comes, we have the Be Perfect Manifest lashes, which are super full and dramatic. I can't wait to try these. We also have the Dream Big Manifest lip gloss. What's this one called? The Raise Your Vibe one. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a sheer pinky colour with gorgeous shimmers through it. Look how nice that is. And then we also have the Dream Big Manifest Vibe High Dream Big Be Realistic palette, which is actually stunning. Look how nice the packaging is. And then inside comes all of these shades. Wow. And then in this little box right here, we actually have their Perfect Storm, their first ever face palette. So this is what the little card looks like. We also have a little pop socket, and then this is what the face palette looks like. That's the packaging. How nice is that? And then inside, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to open this right now. So this is what the wee palette looks like. It has a bronzer, a blush shade, a highlighting colour, and then an under eye highlighting, like matte shade. But this looks so gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this out. Bronzer and the blush looks so nice, and it's like perfect shades for like a summery type of vibe, because it's like a corally orange colour, and then the bronzer is like nice with like a warm tone as well. But like, look how nice that is. I'm super excited to try that. So thank you so much to Be Perfect for like all the stuff. Oh my god. I will leave a link to all the products and stuff that I've mentioned in this video as well down below in the description box. But yeah, so I'm going to leave this video right here because, like I said, I don't want it to be too long, but I probably will either do a part 2. But I'll probably either do a part 2 to this video, like organising all my lip products and stuff, or either I will do like an actual studio tour and go through all of the products that I have. But comment down below and let me know if you want me to do like another organisation to this one, or whether you just prefer like a full overall studio tour and I can go through like all of the products and stuff that I have. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this wee video, and comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to give it a big like and a subscribe and your thoughts down below. I love yous all, and I will see you in my next one guys. Bye!